Don't skip this. You'll regret it. Because this street will ruin everything you think about Mashhad. This is not a holy postcard. This is not what they show you. This is one street where no one comes for the same reason. Some come to be seen, some come to watch, some don't even know why they're here. No labels, no explanations. If you think Mashhad is predictable, this place will embarrass you. Watch till the end, or keep lying to yourself. Mashhad at night. This is not chaos. It just looks like it. Everyone here has a reason. They're just not the same. Different styles, different looks, different ways of existing in the same city. Some people walk fast, some slow, some are confident, some are hiding. No one asks questions here. No one needs explanations. This street works because it doesn't judge. You don't need to belong. You just need to exist. If you like walks like this isn't the only one. There's a whole playlist of Mashhad nights. Different streets, different moods, same city. You can find it on the channel. Just keep walking. This is why Mashhad can't be explained with one image. It's not one story. It never was. It's layers, overlapping, contradicting, living. This walk ends here, but Mashhad doesn't. If this surprised you, stay with the channel. More nights, more streets, more realities.